According to conventional historians, human beings around 10,000 to 12,000 years ago were hunter-gatherers. The general belief was that people at the time did not have precision and accuracy for construction of large structures. They were yet to emerge to agriculture-based lifestyle. Gobekli Tepe leads to question this conventional historic set of beliefs. The structure is believed to be at least 12,000 years old. This predated Stonehenge of Britain by almost 6,000 years. Gobekli Tepe was a temple that is in current southeastern Anatolia region in Turkey. The structures around the area was identified initially around 1963 and the large limestone slabs were identified as stone tombs. Temple consists of a complex of buildings. The buildings were supported by T-shaped stone columns. There are 20 circles and each column is 6 meters tall and around 20 tons in weight. The construction of these columns remains impressive. Not only were they made from stones, some of the columns have impressive carvings of animal figures. It was not known that human beings of Neolithic period had the knowledge and the skills to build a temple complex of this nature. There were many different types of buildings discovered in the area. There were circular buildings as well as rectangular buildings which belong to temple complex. They differ in the size and the structure. This leads to belief that Gobekli Tepe complex was developed over a period of time. It is estimated only 5% of the site is currently excavated. This indicates there is much to be discovered about this temple complex in the future. Many complex artifacts were also found from the temple complex area. Majority of them are made of stone and are of shape of people as well as animals. These carvings could have certain meaning associated with the rituals and the purpose of this structure. There are many theories exist about the purpose of the temple complex. Conventional historians suggest that this was a pilgrimage site that existed. There is evidence to prove that travelers as far as 100 miles away have been to this site. However, the actual purpose of the building was not conclusively identified. Another point to note was that this whole site was buried using earth and other material at a certain time. This allowed the whole site to be buried under and remain preserved until the present date. Very large volumes of earth have been used for filling and burying of the whole structure to an extent that this cannot be recognized. Conventional historians say that people did not have such large-scale building technology 12,000 years ago. Then who built this structure? Why don't we find other similar structures that are as old as this in this or other parts of the world? What is the purpose of this building? And how did the builders acquire sophisticated technologies to handle such large stones and build such a structure? Gobekli Tepe remains a mystery until these are solved.
Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.